want to leave a quick thought before you. The Lord loves you. The Lord cares for you. The Lord provide for you. The Lord protect you. The Lord will favor you. The Lord will guide you. The Lord will lead you. The Lord will counsel you. The Lord will lift you up. The Lord will give you peace. The Lord will give you prosperity. The Lord will give you peace and blessings. The Lord will put a smile on your face. The Lord will make impossible things possible. The Lord will answer your prayers. The Lord will stand by your side. Lord will scatter your enemies. The Lord will stand with you, and He will make sure that your days are good. Your future is better. Your today is better than yesterday, and your tomorrow is far better than today. What you need to do, trust in Him, love Him, embrace Him, hold His hand, walk with Him. You stay in tune with God. You run on the track that the Lord has asked you to do. Believe in the Word of God. Declare the promises of God. Confess it with your mouth. Know that the Lord who created you, who put you on the face of the earth, has a great plans for you. And when you know that, when you understand that, when you declare that, when you confess that, let me tell you, everything that's holding you back will be broken. Everything that seems to be dark, the Lord will make, it's a bright day for you, because He loves you, He cares for you, and He wants to see a smile on your face. Be happy, cheer up, rejoice, because the Lord is with you, and this is your day that the Lord has made for you to rejoice and be happy in it. Thank you for tuning in. The Lord bless you. We love you. Thank you.